excited. It's pouring rain today, so we're not sure if that is good or bad news for like actual animal life, but we're hoping that it will draw the creatures out so we can see them while we're on our swamp tour. I don't think most people do swamp tours in the rain, so whatever happens, it will at least be a unique experience. You excited to go see alligators?
Yeah.
We're almost there. It's going to be awesome. So awesome, I'm singing about it.
We are here.
And apparently rain plus cold do not equal alligators. So we were very concerned that we wouldn't actually get to see any alligators.
Yeah, the blowout and I'm doing.
Hi there. And the tour guide explained to us that we might not see any alligators because they don't like the cold. They are not hungry, and so they can't lure them out with food. At first we weren't seeing any alligators, and we just looked at the beautiful swamplands, which was really cool. I have never seen anything like that. I felt like I was in some sort of an adventure movie. That's cool, huh guys?
Yes, I remember they like to sleep a lot. So like, where do they sleep?
Do you see any alligators out there?
We are the biggest.
She says she wants you to fix that boat. Fix that boat? Yep, yep. Oh, come back in about 4 years.
Look guys. Smile. After a while, then they finally spotted an alligator. Hey guys, come here. There's an alligator right there.
Its eyes sticking out there.
Oh.
See, there's the wood, the little wood there, and then just in that call.
The food that they gave the alligators was marshmallows. Apparently, they like marshmallows quite a bit.
It's just, you just see his back.
Oh, he's gonna go eat it.
He's going for the marshmallow. See it?
Look at him.
Look at him, he's gonna go eat the food.
Wow.
I see it, Mama.
Whoa.
Stop, look at it.
I grabbed it yesterday.
Should we feed you to the alligator?
See it, Evelyn?
Yeah.
I see what it do real quick. I'll take it. Take this.
What do you want me to do?
Come here,
Come here,
Evelyn.
look out, guys. Back up here. I see it!
Wow. Oh my gosh.
Come over here away from the door. Like, he's gonna open the door here.
Yeah, he's kind of sketchy. Yeah, he's running away already.
See the bird?
The white bird.
White one over there. I think the alligator will eat it.
Do you think the alligator's gonna eat it?
See it?
Have you ever had anyone jump in?
I had some drunk people on a bachelor party already in the airboat jump in. Sometimes we jump in. Yeah, I had sometimes they get a little wild in the airboat.
But then we saw a couple more alligators, and then another alligator started braving its way over to the boat.
The alligators.
Wow.
It wants a mallow too.
Yeah, 3 feet, 3 about 3 years old, 3 about 3 year old alligator.
You're kind of slow, buddy.
Yeah, 3.5. I get by that door again.
Oh, wow.
Okay, let's watch. Hey, you. Not sure if he wants to play or not.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
He might come back.
See that? Yeah. That was hilarious.
Oh, there he is.
do when you play with them?
Well, that one I was gonna grab him, bring him on a boat. I was gonna grab him by the jaw, but
What?
when we play with him, we grab him by the jaw, kiss him on the nose, and pet him and stuff. Make a little show out of it.
Favorite animal.
But now, see, yeah, that was the last, that was the first one I remember, you know, saw the little iron towel, like right around the iron towel, just lifted up.
Grayson.
You know, and some of the houses.
Sienna and Grayson. Grayson. Hey.
Oh, it's iron heads. Alligator.
You're not looking at me.
Oh, there's one right there in the water. Right.
There, folks, you're in the water.
As I said so. Oh my gosh.
Come on, talk about it in there.
Look at it, guys.
There you go.
Out of nowhere, the swamp guy just grabbed its mouth shut and dragged it onto the boat.
Like, we can't,
oh my god!
My God! Touch it, Brittany!
Go touch it, guys! You want to touch it? He let us like touch it and pet it, and it was crazy. I didn't think that we'd get to touch an alligator. I just thought we'd see him, and that was all we were really expecting. So it was really, really cool. Again, we were the only ones on the ferry boat because the rain scared everyone else away, so we kind of got the alligator all to ourselves. Our kids did finally get their brave on and come and touch it eventually. They have actually touched an alligator, so that's pretty cool. And really, it was, I mean, even if we hadn't seen any alligators, it was just cool to be in the swamp. Like, it was so pretty, and the vines were hanging from the trees, and it was just peaceful, except for the pelting rain. But it was really cool just how tranquil everything was. As we were about to head back, then the swamp guide pulled an alligator like out of his pocket. He had had a baby alligator in his pocket the whole time.
Where did you get that?
I had it in my pocket. Wanna hold it? You wanna hold it in your pocket? Okay.
Come on, bud.
You wanna hold it?
You can do it! Oh, Grayson, you're so brave!
2 hands.
And the kids all got to, you know, touch the baby alligator and hold the baby alligator. And it was just one of those memories that, like, we won't be able to forget for a while. There, look at me, little man! Oh, smiling, wanna get mama.
Look at that, there you go.
Grayson, right here!
Hey, nothing to get scared of. Now grab him like you did.
so it can't. There you go.
Hey, look at me, sweetie!
5 months old.
Oh, you're doing it, you're so brave!
Called me one day. It was in March.
Good job! You want to be done? Need someone else to take
She
it?
wants to be done. Pretty much saving the guy's life. Keep so he gets a little more meat on his bone.
Kind
of cute.
Do you want to just touch it, sweetie? Do you just want to touch it?
Any kind of bird you can think about. Touch it, guy.
You gonna hold it?
They're raising them.
Evelyn, do you wanna hold it?
They catch them and keep them in. I'll call them after that. That's awesome.
You wanna touch it?
Alligators have when they are a baby, they are
And you go to school one day, so
You wanna hold
they
it?
are that tall.
What do you do? Yeah, I said, well, that's you, but we didn't say.
Come on, open up.
Oh, hi there.
Now it's nice.
Grayson, Evelyn, hey, Evelyn.
We just got to see a whole bunch of alligators in a swamp tour. And it was pretty exciting because we were told that because it's rainy and cold, it was very unlikely that we would see alligators. But we saw a whole bunch, and it was just cool to go through the swamplands of Louisiana.
And we